everybody, happy Tuesday, and of course, happy October. Do you see what I have here? I have some pumpkins, and we're going to use them to decorate this month. And for today's story, I have How to Help a Pumpkin Grow. It's written by Ashley Wolff, and it's published by Simon & Schuster, and we want to thank them for allowing us to read this book to you today. So let's find out how these pumpkins grew and what they did to help them grow. How to help a pumpkin grow. Dig it, spade it, seeds to sow. How many of you out there planted pumpkins this year? Did any of you plant pumpkins in your gardens? Keep seeds warm, protect from snow. I want to help a pumpkin grow. Did this happen to any of you? Or it got cold after you planted your seeds? Fence them, guard them, they're so slow. Keep them safe from hungry crow. Crow looks like it wants to eat them, doesn't it? You want to help a pumpkin grow? Charlie, do you want to help a pumpkin grow? What can you do? Feed them, weed them, start to show. Leaves above and roots below. You want to help a pumpkin grow? Look who he's asking now. He's asking the bunny. You want to help the pumpkin grow? What do you think he's going to say? Drench them, quench them, let it flow, watering up and down the row. So now we've got the crow helping and we've got the rabbit helping. But who's watching? You want to help a pumpkin grow? Think the duck wants to help? Wonder what that job's going to be. Twine them, vine them, watch them go, filling up the garden. Whoa! So, crows and ducks and rabbits, and what's over here? It's a goat. You want to help a pumpkin grow? That might be more helpful than eating it. What do you think? Pick them, stack them, overflow. Room for any others? No! Look at them all help. And there's no more room. We've helped these pumpkins grow. And look, there's orange pumpkins and white pumpkins, just like I have here. Roast them, toast them, roll out dough. Perfect pies, all in a row. Who likes pumpkin pie? Ben? Yeah. Is that one of your favorites? But it's good. So glad we made these pumpkins grow. Ben, what's your favorite pumpkin thing?
Pumpkin roll.
Pumpkin roll. Oh my gosh, pumpkin roll. Pumpkin muffins. Scoop them, scrape them, carve just so. Place them so the candles show. Now we've made our pumpkins glow. Isn't that beautiful? The end. What's the favorite thing that you can do with a pumpkin? Is it eating the seeds? Is it making food? Or is it carving it? Let me know on our Instagram page. I would love to hear from you. And of course, you can come in and check this book out at the library. I will be back on Thursday with another brand new book. I can't wait to share it with you. So until then, everybody, I hope you have a great couple days, and I'll see you back here soon. Bye for now.